Well, hello everyone, Dan Hurd Prospecting here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. I hope to earn your subscription today. I am here on Mission Creek in Kelowna, British Columbia, Canada. The Kelowna Lapidary Association, the rock club in town, is actually bringing a whole big group of people out here today to learn how to gold pan. So I've joined them today to help teach people how to gold pan and to find some of that gold for myself. Mission Creek, right through town in Kelowna, is one of the best, recreational panning areas around. It's awesome. So wish us luck, and I hope you enjoy. So it looks like the crew is here. We're all just getting ready, chatting a little bit. We're gonna head down to the river and see what we can find.
Everybody signed in?
It's Mike!
Hey, hello, how are you?
Yeah, the neat thing about this area.
Good morning. There we are. We're down on the river. We found a small gravel bar, which we're all going to be panning on so we can sort of help each other out. In a situation like this, I'd like to move farther away from the crew, a more secluded spot, but I need to be here to help people out if the case may be, and, show you guys what they're finding as well. So I will be using the 1/4-inch arbor fabricating classifier today in a bucket of water, classifying down full buckets at a time, then panning out a full bucket and seeing what it has. I've got one bucket full. Let's see what we can find. Well, I was guessing at what a full bucket was, and in the end I only got a half bucket. So, hey, half bucket at a time. Let's do this. I need 2 hands. Okay, here we go. Scooping out of the bucket into the pan, which is underwater, but oh well, that works. In fast flowing water. I might be processing the material as I scoop. Hopefully I'm not losing anything. Wah, wah, wah. Apparently this is supposed to be a really good spot, but there was nothing in that first pan. Okay, let's try pan 2. And if there's nothing here, I'll move spots. Because I was down onto the sand layer, which is where the gold sits in this creek. Sits on top of the sand layer, and I was digging on the sand layer. So if I don't see anything here, it means I'm probably in a spot that's been cleared in the past. And I need to find a new spot. Let's have a look. One flake of gold. May as well get close up for the first flake of the day. There we go. The first flake of the day. Definitely Mission Creek gold. But a hole like that, half a bucket, should have more than 1 flake in it. I'm gonna try somewhere new. Well, let's hope the second half bucket has a little bit more than the first. Well, that's 2 buckets with 1 tiny flake. I am not on the right spot. I need to move for sure. But some of the newbies here are just asking to see what gold looks like, and I do have 1 flake, so it's back in my pan. Just gonna go show them what it looks like. So, in here we have 1 flake of gold and a few garnets. So I've moved spots for 2 reasons. 1, there's shade here. This is nice. 2, I was getting nothing down there. It was terrible. So I've come to this little inside corner right here, and I'm just gonna find some random rock to dig behind and see if it's any better. Ooh, how about that one? There, looks like a rock, and it's close. Well, there, another half bucket from behind that rock, classified down to 1/4 inch with the arbor fabricating classifier. If you want your own, it is the best classifier you will ever find. I have a link below with the discount code. Anyhow, it's in the bucket. Let's put it in the pan. Let's get it in the water. Let's find that gold. Two pieces, but very small 2 pieces. Back for more. I forgot my little shovel downriver. So, shovel. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 little specks. There was actually a 5th. One neat thing about Mission Creek too is the garnets. They are frickin' everywhere and beautiful gemmy red. So that bucket ended up having about 10 pieces of gold in it. I'm gonna pour them out of my snuffer bottle and just let you have a look. So still not great, but that is, we're talking a lot better than we were getting downriver. That half bucket must have had 10 pieces of gold in it. One of those bigger ones was from downriver. The other bigger one was from right here, plus the smaller stuff. So, I'm on the right track, though I still think I'm gonna try a different hole up here. We can still do better than that. Well, I've moved upriver again, and we have a bucket beside a nice little panning rock. I like rocks that are out in the middle, where you can sit and pan behind them. That's the perfect way to go. Bucket of dirt, empty pan. Let's do this. Hey! Biggest flake of the day so far. Well, that's a nice little flake in the pan. Can't complain about that. Definitely needs the close-up. Well, there you be. There's a nice flake of gold. Couple little guys in the pan, but one beautiful. So flakes that size used to be very common actually here on Mission Creek. I could come down to this spot, well, just across the river from me here, and you know, get 5 or 6 that big in every single pan. But unfortunately, the word got out that Mission Creek was so hot, and it got hammered by hundreds of thousands of people panning, and you know, it just is not there anymore. The good pickings were all taken. You can still find spots upriver or places that you have to hike into that are really good. But these common spots right in the middle of town, you're lucky to find one or two now, unfortunately. But you still get one or two, you know, every once in a while. So it's still a great place to come panning, especially with the kids. Absolutely. There was one day, right there, I was right there. I got 1.6 grams of gold in 3 hours. Every pan had 10 to 15 of those large flakes. When you would clear out your pan, do the final little swish, they'd be stacked together in the bottom of the pan, layered like scales in the bottom. It was amazing, but those days are gone, unfortunately. Let's see if there's anything in this pan. Oh yes, 2 okay flakes. There we go. I found a spot that actually gives the good size flakes. Not the big flake I got last time, but still some nice pieces of gold. I think I'm gonna do one more bucket from this spot and then head downstream, because I have all these people down there that want to pan with me and I abandoned them all. So one more bucket and then back down to the group. Yep, I'm feeling a bit guilty. Always having these people saying they want to come out and pan with me. They finally get a chance to, and first thing I do is run away, go somewhere else. So I gotta head back down there. But I can't leave that good gold behind. One more bucket. Okay, one last pan, and then we head downstream. One pan from Mission Creek on what I have decided is a fairly good hole. It took me a long time to find a good hole. Now that I found a good hole, one last pan before I go back to the group and continue schmoozing, whatever. Teaching people how to pan. That's what I should be doing here. But I have to prove to myself I can still find gold on Mission Creek. It's getting harder and harder and harder, that's for sure. There we go. Nice. Gold from Mission Creek. And not too shabby for my last pan. You know, 2 big flakes, 2 medium flakes, 2 small flakes. Maybe make that 3 small flakes. There we go. I can still find gold on Mission Creek. Let's go back to the crew. So time to head back upriver. If you want to come to Mission Creek yourself and pan, that's Mission Creek in Kelowna, British Columbia, Canada. Part of the creek going through town is in a park, part of it's not in a park. The parks people seem to only give you a hard time if you're panning during the kokanee spawning season. That's the only time I've ever heard of the parks people or fisheries asking people to stop panning here. Yes, it's pan and shovel only, no sluice boxes, no high bankers, none of that kind of stuff, no dredging. But if you want to come and pan here, it's a great place to find good gold right in the middle of a town. Oh yeah, and I was panning right there. If you want to hit my spot, you're welcome to it. So, how you doing?
Great.
Finding any gold?
Little bits.
Little bits. That keeps it interesting.
It sure does. How about yourself?
I did fairly well upstream. Yeah.
Nice.
So you having fun?
Lots of fun.
Lots of fun. Finding any gold?
A little bit, yeah.
A little bit?
Yeah.
That's just icing on the cake.
It's enough.
Hey, Dan.
And it's Mike Astral.
Hello.
If you don't know, Mike has a YouTube channel as well on mining, prospecting, treasure hunting, all things fun in the world.
Yeah, glass blowing too. The
Glass
gold
blowing.
panner.
The Gold Panner. Check him out on YouTube. Finding any gold though?
Yeah,
Find good gold?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Nice.
And I got my nice Dan Hurd's mom's snuffer bottle carrier. These things are awesome.
My mom made that.
2 years in running, no wear. It's awesome.
We got some new ones on the website too. We got stock.
Make sure you order it.
Can I see the gold you got?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Not bad, Mikey. There's some nice gold in there.
Oh yeah.
Mission Creek never disappoints. So, Dad, what'd you find?
Few flakes, few fly poops, drowned my wallet.
A wet wallet?
Yeah. Found lots of nice sun.
There's a lot of sun out here, that's for sure. A lot of sun, yeah.
Awesome.
Is everyone finding some gold?
Yes.
Everyone finding some gold? You found some gold?
No.
You'll find it. You'll
How
find
much
it.
gold have you found?
There's probably about 30 flakes in there.
Oh, where were you digging?
Up on the corner. You're welcome to go try it if you want.
Like the corner on the other side?
Yeah, on the other side, basically right where you can see it just disappearing there.
Ah, okay.
So this is Mike. He is the host of our trip today. He's organized this whole event, teaching people how to gold pan, found a nice spot for it, made sure he organized perfect weather for the day.
Yeah,
Good job with that one. And are you finding any gold?
a little bit. Really small stuff.
Yeah. It's getting so hard to find the good gold on Mission Creek, for sure. You got to work at it now. But thank you, Mike, for your efforts.
No problem.
So, looks like Gordon's found some gold. That's not bad. Not bad at all. Let's get out the close-up and get a good shot of that. There we go. Gordon found a nice piece of gold. Actually has some thickness to it. It's a nugget.
That's where I started the day.
So, Dad, how's the arm doing?
Not bad.
If you didn't see my previous video, or I think 2 videos ago, Dad had an injury on one of our trips. A stick decided to go through his arm and ended up with 10 stitches in his arm. Nasty. Luckily, we were only 5 hours away from the hospital. So, as you lose your pan, oh no, how did you do, Dad?
We're gonna find out. Not much.
Ah, he's got a built-in excuse. Nice. You always have to have an excuse of why you didn't find much gold in the day. Well, let's get the close-up on that. Well, there you go. A few nice flakes for a fun day out. Panning with friends, panning with the club. Not bad, Dad. Not bad. And here's my take for the day. Nothing stellar, but hey, that's pretty good gold. And considering I was only here for a couple hours, had fun in the sun, with friends, can't complain about that. Well, I can't say I found a lot of gold today, but I did have a lot of fun. It was really nice hanging out in this cool river on such a hot summer's day, and I got to hang out with a great group of people. So, all in all, it's definitely a win. Hope you enjoyed my little adventure here. If you did, please leave me that thumbs up. If I haven't earned your subscription already, I hope I earned your subscription today. And a big thanks to everyone for watching, especially my patrons. Because of the support of my patrons, I get to make these weekly episodes of Dan Hurd Prospecting. Hope you're all having a great day. And until the next video, bye.